Remove door panel.
The door panel is attached to the door with 5 screws. There are 2 screws, Torx 30, under the cover on the inside door handle. The cover is just plugged in. Loosen a bit on the side and then pull it out. Remove both screws. The 3 remaining screws, Torx 20, are all freely accessible. The inner cover of the exterior mirror can be removed either beforehand or along with the door panel. In my case, I do that beforehand. The cover is just plugged in. Now the panel is only attached to the door with clips. Pull the panel outwards sharply and jerkily. Suitable tool for removal in the description. As soon as all clips have been released, pull the panel up out of the inner window slot trim.
Remove and reinstall door handle.
Open the door and remove the cover, glued at the height of the door handle. Below you can now see the grub screw, Torx 20, of the bearing bracket. Turn the grub screw counterclockwise until you feel clear resistance. Then pull out the counterpart. Dot and pull the handle backwards and take it out. When installing, insert the handle and push it forward. Then insert the counterpart and tighten the grub screw. Super simple, you can't go wrong. Good luck doing it yourself.